Open your Meta AI, click on New Chat, paste your prompt to create an image, click Enter, click Animate. It's animating. It's animated. Click on Download. Open video. You can see there is a logo, Meta AI. Again, open Meta AI. Click on this video. Right click. Click Inspect. Now click this arrow and bring your mouse here, here, here. Click here. It has selected this area. Right click, copy element, go to ChatGPT, open new chat, write MP4 URL, MP4 URL, then right click and paste. Click Enter. Copy this link, open new tab, paste your URL. Now this is the same video. Click here and download. Here you will see there is no logo of Meta AI. Here you can see this is with logo, and this video is without Meta AI logo. Thank you very much.